I'm all packed and I'm ready to go to the airport. See ya. Alright, I'm gonna go meet Ervin now. Just got through security. So, yeah, on my way to Sun the Fun.
We'll get there.
Yep, we're gonna get there. Sun the Fun, here we come.
552 departing for Tampa.
We made it to Tampa. Now we gotta drive to Lakeland.
That's right.
Sun the Fun 2019. Here we are.
Two beautiful aircraft.
Pioneered the sports watch. Be perseverant. Think independently. You don't believe in that. I never did it for the that validation comes from giving it back to the people now. Sing the song and it goes like, raise those hands. My hands up like a ceiling fan orders.
Korean battlefronts. It's armed with 650 caliber Browning machine guns, 2 with 400 rounds per gun, 4 with 10. This flight that Lee is performing is his name is actually.
Lightweight fighter. There were 2 competitors. One was the YF-16. The other was the Northrop YF.
Can I get you a drink, sir?
Yes, please.
Cameras on this, might get some vapors on this. Like to say he does not bring it weak.
That was awesome.
It was such a versatile aircraft. You're right about that. If you flown by the Navy, flown by...
That was Sun Fun, day 1.
Yep. We did it.
What do you think?
It was awesome, dude.
It's good, right?
Beautiful, beautiful.
We had a good time. Seen a lot of cool planes, really cool planes. Met a couple of YouTubers that we follow and got some pictures with them, so that was pretty fun. But right now we're gonna go back to the hotel, check in, get a bite to eat, and get off my feet.
Oh yeah. Later.
Later. Bye-bye.